Alright, so here we are with our 2004 Ford Excursion, given a fix on how to, if this back seat, I think it's called 60-40 seat or whatever, when it gets locked in the down position. So I'm just showing here the lever and stuff in the seat, and I'm trying to give like an explanation on how this works. So the seat's getting stuck in that, the headrest is getting stuck in that indentation in the forward seat there as it folds down, because you're not putting the headrest up there, kind of getting lazy. And you're supposed to put the headrest, take the headrest off when you fold the seat down. And sometimes when you're, if you just are folding your seat forward, you know, just to let the kids out, you don't want to lock it all the way down. Just rest it there. You don't have to take the headrest out every time. But if you're folding the seats down to like put some extra stuff, lay extra stuff on top of them or whatever, so you want to lock them all the way down, then I put the headrest on backwards. I'm gonna have to change it. But you want to take the headrest off and put it into those little green holes at the top of the back of the seat when you fold it. That way your seat won't get like stuck in that position. But if you do get the seat stuck, I'm going to show you how to get it out of here after I'm showing you that you're supposed to put the headrest in the correct position. Okay, so now I'm putting the headrest back in there to show that how it's going to get stuck when we put it down. This is how you're getting your seat stuck, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So you pull the lever to make the seat go forward, and it's fine like that, but when you push it down all the way, and I apologize for this video being all jumpy, I'm trying to explain and hold the camera with one hand, which is actually an iPad, and trying to explain what I'm doing. So once it gets locked into that position and kind of locked into the seat, like you pull on it, right? It's like you hear it detaching, but you pull on it and nothing. Like you're not going to be able to lift it up. And what's happening is it's getting stuck into that little indentation in the back of the seat there. And I don't know, for whatever reason, you're just not going to, unless you just are incredibly strong, and maybe even then, I don't know. I think it's a matter of leverage and just figuring out how to do it rather than just strength. You gotta, so you have to detach it like that, and you can see the lever pulling on that, which allows this to come undone here. But you got to push forward on this seat so you can pull up on this one at the same time. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's not intuitive at all. Like, you wouldn't think that this would be necessary, but it's because the headrest is in there. That's what's kind of locking it into that position. And I'm going to show you like what I'm going to do and how I'm going to get this out of here. So I'm telling you, you want to push the front seat forward, that part that's up, you want to push that forward while you're pulling up on the seat as you're trying to lift on the lever too. So you almost need 3 arms, but watch how I do this. You can see how one person can do it by themselves, okay? So I'm kind of explaining right here. This sounds really bad, so I'm really redoing this video so you can like hear better. So here I am. I'm going to demonstrate exactly how I'm going to lift this out of here if it's stuck. And there's a ton of video. There was not very much actually on the internet at all. That's why I decided to make this video. And the only thing I found was a little bit of text, but no pictures. So right there I'm showing once it's locked in with that headrest, you can see where it gets kind of tucked into that front of the bottom seat, pretty much. The seat that folds up, it gets locked in there because of the headrest. If you want to avoid this, take the headrest off and put it in those 2 green slots in the back of the chair there. What you want to do is push forward on that front seat. You want to lift the latch, push forward on that front seat while you're lifting up the seat into its correct position. So I'm going to demonstrate here how to do this in a moment. So I'm trying to show you. Push forward on that, lift up on that at the same time. And you need to disengage the lever. So the lever is not what's broken here. The lever, I would say 99 times out, it's disengaged right there, and you can hear it pop. And I lift up on it, you see the lever go back down because you popped it and you weren't able to pull it out. I mean, you can engage the lever again. Now watch. Put your foot forward, pushing that forward, and then lifting. Now watch the lever. It pops down. But you pulled it out of the first like brake. Pop the lever again, and then lift it up. So it's kind of like a two-stage thing almost. And if you can have someone hold the lever through the whole thing, you can probably just pull it right up. But notice how I pushed with my foot forwards on that while I lifted the back of the seat up out of the trap. And that's what you're going to need to do. And I don't know, you might have another technique for doing that, but that worked really well. If you just pull I'm saying right there, just pull the headrest out, put it in those green grooves, and it's going to totally avoid this whole thing, this whole trap. So I hope this helped. The quality of the audio was really bad. So I don't have a microphone on my iPad, I guess. So it was really quiet. So I just wanted to put audio to this video to make it more clear. So I hope that helped. Thank you out there for watching, and have a great day.